Hey guys, today I just wanted to do a little iPhone X opening, guys. I just got this shipped. I've been waiting for a very long time for this, and it's been a while. So just want to see what you guys think of it. And here we go. Alright guys, it's a little hard to open, so I'll come back to y'all when it's open. Alright guys. Alright guys, I do recommend this strategy to opening it like that because that just seems to be the easiest way. Alright guys, so before we do the actual review of the iPhone X, I'm just going to go a couple with stuff that's just in the box. There's a rubber band, very nice rubber band. I do recommend this if you need a rubber band because it does look strong for the most part. And yeah, it looks like it would make a good rubber band. So that's the rubber band. The instruction manual, no one needs these, but we're gonna put it in the stack that we already looked at. A thank you card, that you're welcome, just say you're welcome, I appreciate your product very, oh, look at the smiley face too. Yeah, definitely. And now guys, for the actual iPhone X. Alright guys, new iPhone X. It does look pretty nice in my opinion. It's bigger than most phones, which I do like. It does have pretty good resolution and graphics. Let's see if we can turn it on. See, the graphics just look so nice. I like how smooth it is, the color. The applications are very nice. I do recommend the ABC app, just in case, you know, that may come in need one day. Alright, these are your emails. I do like the feature how it's just easier to see it. Just easier, like it reads it to you and stuff, yeah. Alright guys, so far I figured out a life hack for the iPhone X. If it's doing something stupid, just slam it. It should work after that.
Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day.
I hate it. One thing I would say about the iPhone X is the weather's a little off and stuff, but everything has its do's and don'ts. Alright guys, I think that's one of the coolest features of the iPhone X is you can just throw it and start breaking it and stuff, and it does not break, guys. Definitely a big upgrade compared to all the other iPhones. So let's see what else we can do here. Kind of buffered for a minute, like it's a new phone and everything. Like I just bought it. It shouldn't even be buffering up already. Yeah, guys, I do like the how it adds like the free Drake and just like I love how it gives you the free music. Especially rap, because rap is one of my favorites. So I love how it comes with that. That's probably the best feature on the phone so far, in my opinion.
See the colors on the screen. Red, yellow, orange, and green. Look around for other colors too. Maybe purple or blue.
Thank you. All right, we're gonna try to call someone. The resolution.
Hello?
Hello. 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 I'm gonna try to redial.
Hi there. How are you?
Oh, I'm great. How are you? I'm great. How are you?
See you later.
So, guys, the iPhone X definitely has its do's and don'ts, guys. I would recommend this phone for most white kids, I'd say, but definitely I think I'd see better than this, guys. I'm sorry. Alright guys, one of the other downs I have about it is it does not fit into the trash can. The overall I would say is it definitely has its do's and downs. I don't like some of the features on the phone, even though some are very helpful, but if I had to rate the best thing for this phone, guys, I would say the rubber band is probably like definitely worth buying. It's a very nice rubber band. It can stretch pretty good. And yeah guys, like it, comment, pop it, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like, but bye.